Hi, this is attorney Nicole Christie from the Christie Law Firm, where we work hard to make families stronger. So today I want to talk to you about if you are the foster parent who has guardianship, or if you're a relative that has guardianship of a child, what are some of your rights and what are some of the things that you can do? So as a guardian of the child, you act as the parent. You are mom or you are dad, or you are mom and dad, or you are mom and mom, or dad. So whatever the scenario might be, understand that you step in as the role of the parent. So you get to decide how you parent this child without the interference of mom and dad. You don't have to answer to the biological parents outside of issues around visitation or reinstatement. So for example, if you decide you've been living in Connecticut, you really wanted to move to Colorado, you love skiing, you wanted to be in that environment, maybe you have family back home, you have a right to move with the child. And so you might want to tell the parents so that they know that their visits could be affected. But as guardian, you can do that. Perhaps you've decided, I want the kids to go to Catholic school. I want them to go to the school I went to as a child. And the parents, perhaps they're not Catholic, or they don't believe in having the child go to anywhere but public school. You can say, I hear you, but I'm going to do it anyway as the guardian. And so these are different rights that you have that can't be interfered by the parents, can't be interfered with by the parents. You don't have to worry about the parents, taking you to court over that particular issue. The only two places or the two areas where a parent could take you to court that I can think of right now is in terms of visitation as well as reinstatement. So when it comes to visitation, parents do get to still see the child if there is a transfer of guardianship. You as the guardian can dictate how it should be done. So for example, if the parents are actively fighting, they're arrested every other weekend, or you keep reading the police blogs, you can ask for the visits to be supervised and insist that they be supervised. Or if you trust the parents, perhaps they're doing well overall, they've been able to, maintain, maybe the kids want to spend the weekend, you can do that. But you have to keep in mind, you're still responsible for that child, mom and dad are not. So if mom or dad end up with a party at the house and you were aware that they do these things periodically, but you still let the kids go over there and DCF gets involved, that could be a problem for you. So you still have those rights, and the parents can ask for some visitation if they're unable to really work that out with you, or they insist on having more time and you're saying no, or they just want to unsupervised but you want to supervise. They can file either in juvenile court or family court to insist on visitation. If they take you to family court, understand the family court is going to insist on visitation unless you can establish it's not in the best interest of the kids. And it's not just your opinion, you're probably going to need the opinion of a mental health provider to support that. The other aspect where the parents could bring you back to court is if they ask for reinstatement. I did that, I speak about that in another video, and so you can see that at the end of this video. We'll share some links down below. But at that instance, when the parent asks for reinstatement, you have to be notified, so they have to serve you with the petition, and you have a right to come to court and say, yes, we agree, or no, we don't agree. And at that point, the court will hear from all of the parties and make a final decision. Outside of those two arenas, for the most part, you are free as guardian to be able to do what you think is best for the child without having to check in with the parents. You are mom, you are dad. And so act as that. Let the child know that they're here to stay, that there's nothing that's going to change. If they can call you auntie, they can call you mom, they can call you dad or uncle or cousin or whatever they feel, you all feel comfortable as a family. But understand you act as parent at that time. And you should be free to be able to raise the child in the way that you see fit. So if you ever need assistance with any of this, please don't hesitate to contact our office. And so we encourage you to look at other videos around guardianship and the process in and of itself and the types of guardianship, as it'll help you to make the decision as to whether or not you want to be a guardian. All right, until next time, please subscribe to our channel, like, and share this video.